Have you ever seen a shark with a head shaped like a hammer? It's real, and it's one of the ocean's most incredible predators. With eyes on the sides of its wide head, the hammerhead shark can see in almost every direction. It can sense electric signals, smell from miles away, and even find stingrays buried under the sand. But don't be fooled by its weird shape. Every part of its body is designed for survival. Ready to dive into the world of one of the strangest and smartest sharks on Earth? Let's meet the hammerhead. Hammerhead sharks don't just look different, they are different. Their strange flat heads make them stand out from every other shark in the ocean. But what's even more amazing is how many different types of hammerheads exist. Scientists have discovered 9 species so far, and each one has its own size, shape, and style. The smallest hammerhead is the bonnethead shark, only about the size of a skateboard. It's playful, fast, and even eats plants like seagrass. On the other end of the scale is the great hammerhead shark, which can grow up to 20 feet long, longer than a car, and weigh over 1,000 pounds. That's like having a shark the size of a small boat. Hammerhead sharks live in warm tropical waters all over the world. You might find them swimming near coral reefs, gliding through deep blue open oceans, or even cruising close to shore. Some like to be alone. Others, like the scalloped hammerhead, swim in giant schools of up to 100 sharks. Imagine looking down into the water and seeing a parade of hammerheads swimming together like an underwater army. Their most famous feature, of course, is their head shaped like a hammer or a sideways T. This shape is called a cephalofoil. It may look silly to us, but for the hammerhead, it's pure genius. First, those wide-set eyes give the shark an incredible field of vision. While most sharks can only see what's in front of them, hammerheads can look almost all the way around their bodies, forward, backward, up, and down. They're like underwater superheroes with built-in panoramic vision. Second, the wide head helps them steer more precisely in the water. Just like a tightrope walker stretches their arms out to keep balance, the hammerhead's head helps it turn fast and swim gracefully, even when chasing quick prey. And finally, and maybe most importantly, the head is loaded with electroreceptors. These are tiny black pores called ampullae of Lorenzini. They allow the shark to feel tiny electric signals given off by living creatures. That means even if a stingray buries itself under the sand, the hammerhead can find it. No eyes needed, no nose needed, just pure electric instinct. Hammerhead sharks use their heads not just to find food, but to catch it, too. They've been seen pinning stingrays to the ocean floor with the flat edge of their head, holding them down like a spatula until they can take a bite. It's one of the smartest hunting strategies ever seen in the shark world. But hammerheads don't just eat stingrays. Depending on the species, they might also munch on squid, crabs, small fish, and even other sharks. The great hammerhead in particular is known to hunt aggressive creatures like the venomous stingray or the spiky sea catfish, things most sharks wouldn't dare touch. And yes, hammerheads have sharp teeth, rows and rows of them. But don't worry, they're not hunting humans. In fact, hammerheads are usually shy and cautious around people. Despite how scary they might look, they almost never pose a danger to swimmers or divers. If you ever see one in the wild, consider yourself lucky. They're not just rare, they're also disappearing. Some species of hammerhead sharks are now endangered, mostly because of overfishing and pollution. Their fins are highly valued in some countries, which means people catch them faster than they can reproduce. It's a sad truth, but it's one that we can help change by learning, sharing, and protecting these amazing creatures. Because once you understand the hammerhead shark, you can't help but admire it. It's not just a weird fish with a funny face. It's a marvel of nature, a silent hunter, a powerful swimmer, a survivor from the ancient seas. And that's just the beginning of its story. The ocean is a big, dark, mysterious place. But hammerhead sharks have a secret. Actually, they have several, superpowers even. And they carry them not in their fins, but in their heads. Let's start with their eyes set way out on each end of their hammer-shaped head. While most animals, including humans, have their eyes facing forward, Hammerheads have eyes that are spread apart like the headlights on a race car. At first, that might sound like a bad idea. How can they focus on anything with eyes so far apart? Well, the truth is, they don't need to, because their eyes give them something even better, a 360-degree view of the ocean. A hammerhead can look up, down, and all around almost at the same time. It's like wearing a pair of super high-tech goggles that let you see behind you while you're looking forward. No other shark can see as much at once. So when prey is hiding or danger is coming, the hammerhead knows before anyone else does. But that's not all. Let's talk about smell. Sharks have an amazing sense of smell. They can detect one drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Imagine being able to smell a cookie baking from 10 blocks away. That's the shark's level of smell power. And the hammerhead? Even better. Its nostrils are spaced wide across its hammer, letting it scan the water like a radar dish. The moment a fish or stingray is injured or swimming nearby, the hammerhead smells it. Not only that, it can tell which direction the smell is coming from. Left? Right? Behind? No problem. The hammerhead smells in 3D. But wait, we're just getting started. There's one ability that sounds like science fiction, but it's completely real: electroreception. Remember those tiny black dots on the hammerhead's head? Those are special sensors called ampullae of Lorenzini. They pick up electrical signals made by the muscles and hearts of every living creature. Even if a fish is hiding under sand, even if it's invisible in total darkness, the hammerhead can find it just by sensing the tiny electric buzz coming from its body. Picture this. A stingray is lying flat under the ocean floor, perfectly camouflaged, not moving. But the hammerhead swims by, slowly sweeping its wide head side to side. Suddenly, the electroreceptors tingle. There's something down there. With a quick turn, the shark dives, pins the ray down with its hammer-shaped head, and bites. Just like that. No eyes needed, no sound, just electricity. This power isn't just for hunting, it's also for navigation. Scientists believe hammerheads may use the Earth's magnetic field like a natural GPS to find their way across huge distances in the ocean. They don't need maps or stars. Their body feels the planet itself. That's why some hammerheads migrate across thousands of miles, always returning to the same spots every year to feed, to give birth, or to meet up with other sharks. All of this makes the hammerhead one of the most advanced predators in the sea. But here's something even more surprising. They're also some of the smartest. In studies, hammerheads have shown signs of social behavior, problem solving, and even memory. Some researchers believe they're as smart as dolphins when it comes to learning patterns and adapting to new situations. And when you think about it, it makes sense. To survive in the wild for millions of years against predators, fishing nets, pollution, and climate change, you have to be more than just fast. You have to be smart. Let me tell you a real story. In the clear waters off the coast of the Galapagos Islands, a team of scientists once tagged a scalloped hammerhead with a small tracker. They followed it for weeks. What they found amazed them every day. The shark would leave its sleeping area, swim miles out into the open ocean to hunt, then return at night to the exact same coral reef, like it was going home. Even more incredible, the shark followed the same underwater route every time, like it had memorized a secret trail in the ocean. It wasn't guessing. It knew the way. This showed scientists that hammerheads weren't just drifters, they were navigators, explorers with built-in maps in their heads. It also showed that these sharks had favorite places worth protecting. So, to sum it up, the hammerhead isn't just weird. It's a living machine of senses, built for precision hunting and ocean survival. With panoramic vision, supercharged smell, electric sensing, and magnetic navigation, this shark is like a submarine with radar, sonar, night vision, and GPS all packed into one sleek body. But the story isn't over yet. Because while their powers make hammerheads amazing, what happens next in their lives, how they grow up, where they travel, and how they bring new baby hammerheads into the world is just as fascinating. Ready to keep going? Every hammerhead starts life not as a giant predator, but as something small, wiggly, and incredibly vulnerable, a baby shark, known as a pup. Unlike most fish, hammerheads don't lay eggs. They give birth to live young, just like mammals do. Depending on the species, a hammerhead mother might give birth to a handful of pups or as many as 50 at a time. That's right, 50 tiny hammerheads, each only about a foot long, all born with their signature flatheads already in place. But here's the twist. Once they're born, they're on their own. There's no cuddling, no bedtime stories, no staying close to mom for safety. As soon as they're born, hammerhead pups must swim away to survive. Even their own mother might accidentally mistake them for prey. So where do they go? Many young hammerheads head straight for shallow waters, coastal lagoons, warm bays, and mangrove forests. These areas act like underwater nurseries, filled with hiding places and small food sources. It's safer there than in the open ocean, where giant predators roam. For the first few years of their lives, the young hammerheads grow in these protected areas, slowly getting bigger, stronger, and smarter. But life as a young hammerhead isn't easy. Only a few will survive past their first year. The ocean is full of danger, larger sharks, predators, fishing nets, pollution. Those that do survive grow steadily, shedding their baby skin, sharpening their teeth, and mastering their hunting skills. Let me tell you a true story. Marine biologists once tracked a group of juvenile hammerheads near the Bahamas. At first, the young sharks stayed close to the mangroves. But every few weeks, they would venture a little farther, swimming into deeper and more open waters. The scientists noticed something amazing. The sharks weren't just wandering. They were following a pattern, almost like they were learning the shape of their world, step by step, like students memorizing a map. And then, one day, the largest of the young sharks disappeared from the nursery. 3 months later, she was found miles out at sea, near a coral reef, hunting stingrays. She had made it. She was no longer a pup. She was now a hunter. As hammerheads grow, their behavior begins to change. Some, like the scalloped hammerhead, form schools as teenagers. These schools can include dozens, even hundreds of sharks swimming together, circling each other, communicating in silent ways we still don't fully understand. Scientists believe these schools are social gatherings, like shark classrooms or team meetings. They learn from each other. They even recognize familiar sharks, remembering who they've swum with before. But not all hammerheads are so social. The great hammerhead prefers solitude. It hunts alone, swims alone, and rarely joins schools. It's more like a lone wolf, powerful, silent, and stealthy. In fact, great hammerheads are so confident in their strength that they'll take on dangerous prey other sharks avoid, like the venomous stingray. A single slap from a stingray's tail can be deadly. But the great hammerhead has a trick. It sneaks up, pins the ray with its head, and bites hard before the ray can fight back. A risky move, but one that shows just how bold this shark can be. Now, let's talk about something beautiful. When hammerheads reach adulthood, usually between 5 to 9 years old, they begin their migration journeys. Every year, hundreds of them swim together across thousands of miles, following invisible paths through the ocean. No one taught them these routes, they just know. Some head to feeding grounds. Others return to birthplaces, where females will give birth to the next generation. It's a cycle, a rhythm, a legacy passed not through stories, but through instinct. One of the most famous places to see this is near Cocos Island, off the coast of Costa Rica. Divers from around the world gather here, hoping to see the magical sight of dozens of hammerheads swimming in formations sleek, silent, and powerful. The sharks are calm, curious, and graceful, moving like shadows through the blue. For scientists, this is more than just a beautiful scene. It's a mystery. How do hammerheads know where to go? How do they find each other in such a massive ocean? And how do they return to the same spots year after year, generation after generation? We still don't know the full answer, but every time we study them, every time we track their movements or observe their behavior, we learn a little more. And what we see is this: hammerhead sharks are not just survivors, they're explorers, they're travelers, they're memory keepers of the sea.